I will be doing a silk sleepwear try-on haul that was sent to me by SilkSilky. So this is the box that they sent. The material of their sleepwears are natural fiber, hypoallergenic, and breathable. So the material is made of mulberry silk, that's the first time that I heard of that kind of material. Basically, it makes you feel cool in the summer and enough warm in the winter. So that is really nice. Me personally, I'm a fan of pajamas, silk pajamas, robes, and I really use it when I sleep because I like comfort when I'm sleeping. So yeah, they sent me 3 sleepwears, 3 silk sleepwears, and I was surprised that it fits in this little box. I haven't really dig in the box, but I ripped off already the stickers. And so let's open the box.